Hi everyone. So this is the second checkpoint of our 7 series pre-market framework videos. We are going to talk about PCR in this video. So here is something most retail traders don't realize. The option market is where the big money actually plays, and every single day it leaves footprints, and that footprint is called PCR, put call ratio. So when the institutions feel confident the market will hold up, they will sell puts aggressively, and when they don't, they sell calls instead. So PCR tells you which side is more active. So PCR above 1.2 and rising, that means institutions are feeling confident market will have the bullish bias. PCR below 0.8, that means bearish bias is in control. Between 0.8 to 1.2, don't overthink about this number because you have to concentrate on the direction of the market at that point of time. A PCR of 1.1 that is rising is telling you completely different thing from a PCR at 1.1 which is going to fall. So you have to compare the direction, not only the PCR levels. So the question for every morning is the option market confirming your view or fighting it back? So one more thing, we have to check around 12 to 1 pm what is the PCR value, what is the level of the market which we have at that point of time, because sudden changes at that point of time in the market are going to pave the way for the direction of the market in the second half. So through our videos, we are not only going to provide you the direction of the market in the morning before market opens, but around 12 or 1 pm also every day on the YouTube, so that you are aware what is the market expected to do.